Being right, we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all already know, it's Smileyy with 2 Y's. If it ain't 2 Y's, then it ain't me. Big today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to refresh my faux locks, whatever you want to call them. Before we get into this video, if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. And once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post, because why wouldn't you want to? And don't forget to leave a comment down below for any type of future videos that you guys would like to see from me. Don't forget to share this video as well. And if you like the video at any point in this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So let's get into this video. To start off, you want to go ahead and section your hair by taking out as many locks as you want to refresh. I'm only doing the front part because that's the only part that I'm worried about. And right here, I'm just going to go ahead and take some of my leave-in conditioner. Before I started this video, I did spray my hair like a day before with oil and water. So now I'm just going to apply some moisture, which I use leave-in conditioner for mine. You can use whatever kind of moisturizer that you want to use, but I just put it over my parts and I just rub it into the top of my roots. Now, if you have smaller locks, I can say that you may possibly just be able to retwist your roots, clip them, and let them dry like that. But for bigger ones, I would say just follow along with this tutorial. It's really up to you, but I'm going to start off with taking one strand of hair and I'm going to split that in half, and then I'm going to grab my scissors and cut that piece in half. Now you want to take the blunt end of the piece of hair that you just cut and line it up with the top of your locks. And then once you get that secured, you want to go ahead and start wrapping that strand of hair around your roots. Now the key is to try to wrap it around to make it level out with the lock that already exists. You just want the top of your roots to be the same thickness of your lock. Now once you get towards the end part of that strand of hair, you just keep wrapping it around until you have no more hair left, and trust and believe, it is secured. But if you want to take the extra step, just like I did, you can always choose to just go in with a little palm roll, and then there you go. As you can see, it's not mandatory for you to use a full strand of hair, just by the little piece that I did use, because at the end of the day, you're only just really focusing in on your roots, which needs to be refreshed. But it's up to you if you do choose to use a full strand of hair. Now I'm going to show you guys a different way to attach the hair. You can take the shorter piece and wrap it around your existing lock, and then focus on the strand that you have to wrap around, so you won't have to just hold that piece of hair into place. But if you feel like just holding it in place is easier for you than wrapping it around the existing lock, then just go ahead and do that.
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit hard, yeah.
And that's pretty much it in regards to how you do it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the rest of the video. But thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Loving you. and we near me. Put myself caught in your crossfire. You are one, and I'm waiting, and you like it's cool. Water like it's cool when you pull up with a new and it's not. All that I know is it was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me. It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different. This shit. It